talking about and unboxing Belgian linen made by Claessens. Let's check it out. I ordered this roll from Jerry Artarama. It came in a tube like this. One thing is that, one issue I guess that I had with the shipment is that it's supposed to be closed, but when I got it, it was kind of open like this. And the problem is that if any water or anything else gets in there, that can kind of damage the linen. So luckily I checked out my linen, everything is great, so that was the good thing. Okay, so I got this one. It was $2.50 on super sale from Jerry Artarama, size 54 inches by 3 yards, and let's check it out. Okay, so you want to be careful taking it out, and I actually already taken it out before, so I put tape all around here just so that I don't damage or rip the linen when it's taken out from the tube, because it's very gentle. I want to keep a good quality. Okay, and that's my dog going mayhem at probably like a UPS man or a delivery guy or something, so yeah, he's not gonna stop. Okay, well, that's how it came. It was rolled up and taped on the sides. If you take it out, it feels really good. Wow, so nice and so smooth. Let me show you what it looks like. I forgot to mention, so it's single primed. They specify that it's primed with titanium white oil ground, and this is the extra fine linen. Let me show you closer up what it looks like. So on the unprimed side, that's what it looks like from the side that's not primed. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And then, yeah, since it's only single prime, you can still kind of see the color of the linen. You know, the raw canvas, that's what I mean. So it's going to be interesting painting on it, because a lot of painters that I aspire to, that love doing portrait work, this is the roll that they order, and this is also why I went ahead and ordered this one. I did a lot of research and found this one to be the popular favorite. The only thing that I'm bummed with is that it's not lead white ground primed, but because I've seen such good reviews, I just pulled the trigger and got this big roll, and it really was an investment just because it's gonna last me a long time. So fingers crossed it's gonna go well, and I'm sure it will. So the reason why I ordered linen, I have 3 big reasons. Number one is just that I want to have quality control. So the issue that I've been having lately is I've been trying different suppliers, and I know they do their best. It really depends like how much money you're willing to spend on the canvas, and then that goes along with how good of a quality you get things. So I've tried ordering from multiple people, and sometimes I'm not a fan of the stretchers that they use, or sometimes I don't like the way that they do the corners of the canvas, or at times you'll just get an order and maybe the linen on the top, it just has some like problems with it, and so I just decided to go ahead and when I do commission pieces, I'll just build my own canvas, and so I ordered this linen roll and stretchers that I order myself that I really trust, and I can build the whole canvas from scratch, which would be great. Aside from the fact that it's already primed, that was the one requirement that I had. I did not want to go through the process of priming a linen with an oil ground just because it takes such a long time for it to dry. The turnover time would be too long. I wanted to be able to build my canvases within like 2 hours, and that's kind of what I can do, doing with what I have right now. So that's reason number one, just quality control and know all the aspects that are going into building my canvas so that when I deliver work to a client, I can promise them the best. And that's also why I chose Claessens. I really loved how transparent the company is about their process, and they list most of the ingredients used in the linen and the ground, so I really loved that. I felt comfortable purchasing from them. Number two kind of feeds off of number one. I want to rely on myself. I don't want to have to rely on anyone else. This is why I want to build my own product. So just for an example, right now I'm about to do a painting. It's going to be 24 by 32 inches in size. And if I want something like that, it's going to be very difficult for me to find a canvas exactly that size, in extra fine linen, fine with an oil ground. When I do, it might be out of stock from the suppliers that I do know. And if I do find, great. It's going to take me a week to 2 weeks to receive this canvas, just because where I live, there is no local stores that offer what I need, so I have to order online. So let's say I have my canvas ready to go in 10 days. Hopefully when it arrives here, carrier doesn't have a problem delivering, it doesn't get delayed. And then, in transit, hopefully the product doesn't get damaged. So I just don't want to deal with that, because then I might have to end up waiting 2 weeks to get started on my project, and I just don't have the time. It kind of kills the rhythm. Time is money, so I'm losing money just sitting waiting for 2 weeks. So that's kind of why I need to have something that I can rely on myself and be able to build a canvas on the go. So that's the second reason. The third reason, affordable to build something yourself. So going back to the example where I'm building something right now, 32 by 24 inches, the entire cost of supplies for building something like that, I spent $60. Now I could have saved a lot more money, but again, I'm not looking to save money, I'm looking to create something of quality. And so with $60, I was able to get the best of the best for what I need to build an amazing, canvas. And if I was to want to purchase something like that on the market, number one, try and find exactly what I need, and number two, if I was to find that, it would probably start with like 120 or so. So yeah, so that's the three reasons why I'm gonna be building my own canvases. Next video, I'll be building a canvas. I'll share that with you guys using this linen. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, till next time, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment section. You can also find me on Instagram. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.